Okay, just a quick comment about day trading. To me, the most important aspect that a lot of people don't realize is not, calling big winners, but in my opinion, if you want to stay in the game and last, because the difference between people who trade for a living and people who can just make some big trades but eventually blow themselves out of the market, the only difference is consistency. The people that can keep doing it over and over and limit your risks, those are the people that stay in the market. So, talk about a few today. Let's scroll down. These four are from today, these top four here. Southwest Energy, these are just some examples. SWN, we called the entry in our live chat room today at 28.23. Went all the way to 30.27. And there's a profit potential per 1,000 shares. But the thing we're proud of is that on that call we had 34 cents risk per share and ended up going up over $2. Downside was 34 cents. And probably within 10 minutes of the call, the stop was already to break even. So the 34-cent risk was really only for about 5 or 10 minutes. Same thing with Cree. We actually traded it twice today. The first time, 18.38 was the entry. Went up $1 from there, and the risk was about 33 cents. And the break-even stop came 5 or 10 minutes later. So these low risks, like 34 cents and 33 cents, they were only in place for 5 or 10 minutes, and that's typical of what we do here. The second trade on Cree, 1860 trigger, went to 1975. Again, only 30 cents risk, and it wasn't very long until the stop was moved to break even. And lastly today was Kim, KIM. Trigger was 1520, and the stop was only 24 cents below that. And again, the stop, I think 10, 15 minutes later to break even. None of these hit the stop before we got to move the stop to break even. And this one went from 1520 to 1678. Again, you can see the profit potential there. But again, we're not as proud of this column as we are of the column that's not even here. And that's what we don't show. But what we're most proud of is the low risk on the downside. And we do not take trades that have a wide spread between where we will stop it if it doesn't work and where we enter it to begin with. So that said, have a good evening, and we'll try to keep up the videos.